We're gonna walk up on the Barco building. I don't know if the fire department's gonna let me do too much videoing, but this is the aftermath of the Barco building. It's toast. It's gone. The walls are gone. Just melted it. Cans were flying through the air. Shit was exploding everywhere. Look, melted paint cans over here. Trucks, burnt rubber and stuff all the way, charred wood all the way over here. And we're getting away from the building here. Stuff was hitting everywhere. More paint cans. More paint can bottoms and stuff. All the way back over here. See the trees all browned out. If you can see it, it's all browned out. It's going to be a big dead spot on that tree. Too bad for these people. There's 14 employees without a job. Alright, told you I'd do an aftermath video, guys. Peace.